Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph on myself in English for every class students and children. I hope you will love these. These are really simple and easy to learn. Okay, let us start. My name is David. I am 17 years old and reading in class 11. My school name is City Public Boys School. Today I will tell you about myself. I will tell you what I like to do and what I do. I have lots of friends and I love all of them. I will tell you about them too. My family. First of all, I love to share about my family. I am the only kid in the family and I live with my parents and grandfather. My grandpa is my best friend. My mother is a housewife and my father is a computer engineer. He is working on some government projects. He is a very popular and famous person in our area. My mother is highly educated but she refused to work outside because of taking care of me. From my childhood, I am the best friend of my mom. My mom finds all of her happiness into me. She is really hardworking. She wakes up early in the morning and helps our maid to cook food. Even I love eating my mother cooked food. That's why most of the time she cooks for me. After all a day working, my dad comes back home afternoon and then he spends all of his time with us, the family. He is a very fun-loving person. My father never gets angry or never get mad at someone. He is really well behaved and people love him a lot because of this. He helps poor people a lot. He is a social worker too. My grandfather is the most senior person in our family. He is a really smart and talented person. At this age, he still can walk and run. He takes me to the morning walk regularly. He shares lots of interesting stories. I am learning about history and English from him. He is a really good teacher. What sport I like most? My favorite sport is football because I can play that game really well. In my school team, I am the captain for the last 2 years. When I was in class 7, I got first ever chance to play for the school football team and then I never get out from there. I am still playing and going well with my good performance. Last year, I scored 2 goals and led my team to win the inter-school championship. We rescued the trophy after 6 years. The whole was really happy with me. I got lots of invitations from school authority and local peoples. Not only playing, but I also love watching football too. My school and friends. In my school, I have lots of friends. I love spending time with them. I am a very friendly person, but in the first meet you may find me shy and introverted. But if you become a buddy, I will be really open with you. Most of my friends are really amazing in study and sports. They like me and I like them too. My school is a popular school and it is doing amazing according to yearly results. Gardening is my hobby. Gardening is my hobby and I have got a garden in front of my home. A cousin helped me a lot to make this. I was inspired to see his garden in his roof and I thought, I have enough space in front of my house. Why should not I start? I did and it became a love for me. Now I spend lots of time regularly there. Conclusion. I love to share about myself. That's all about me. Thanks for reading. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.